When you're parking or moving in tight spaces, available Park Assist sensors are an additional precaution to help avoid bumps and scrapes. Park Assist sensors give an audio and visual cue to help you know how far away obstacles like walls and other parked cars are. If equipped, proximity sensors can be located in the rear bumper or both the front and rear bumpers. They can detect solid, unmoving objects up to 6 feet behind or 4 feet in front of your vehicle. Sensors use beeping alerts and an amphitheater-like Park Assist image on the Driver Information Center to indicate distance. If your vehicle has the Safety Alert seat equipped, you may customize to feel driver's seat vibration pulses. Sensors help you judge the distance between your vehicle and obstacles, but you should always look around your vehicle and use your mirrors too. Sensors activate when your vehicle speed is below 6 miles per hour and will begin alerting you as soon as an object is detected behind or in front of your vehicle. As a detected object comes closer, the alerts will change. When an object is within 2 feet of the rear bumper, 5 alert beeps will sound from the rear speakers. Or if your vehicle has the Safety Alert seat equipped, you'll feel 5 haptic pulses on both sides of the seat. In some vehicles, when an object is within 1 foot of the front or rear bumper, a continuous alert tone will sound from either the front or rear speakers, depending on where the object is detected. If equipped, the Safety Alert seat will pulse 5 times on both sides. As your vehicle gets closer to a detected object behind you, you will also see caution triangles that increase in size and change from yellow to red on the center display. Your vehicle will display the Park Assist image in the instrument cluster with bars that indicate the distance and location of detected objects. As the object gets closer, more bars light up and the bars change color from yellow to amber to red. Remember, sensors work best when they're kept clean and free of obstructions. Park Assist may not detect pedestrians, animals, or objects located below or too close to the bumper. Park Assist doesn't brake for you. It's just there to help you avoid collisions, so stay alert when using the feature.